I am a mom of 4 and expecting baby number 5. So I was thrilled when the brand sent this to me so I could test it out. This is a portable diaper changing caddy kind of. So I, with my first 4 kids, I packed everything. I had a massive heavy backpack that I would carry with me as a baby bag. Like, I did not go anywhere without a multitude of things. I'm feeling like this time around I'm going to be more strategic about what I pack and maybe not pack the whole house along with me. I'm thinking this is going to live in my car, which I'm very excited about. So this is a bunch of things all in one. We have on the front a little pocket. This is great for a passy or little binky, little things like a little baby toy to play with, so the baby can play with something while they're changing, they're getting changed, or just something like anything that you need to put in there while you're changing, like keys, whatever, wallet, whatever. Anyways, on the back side, we have a wipes case that you can put your wipes in there, and then they'll be easy accessible right there. And this can pull up and be like this on this side, so when you're changing, you'll have easy access to the wipes. But also when you're not changing, and this is just in your car, you also have easy access to the wipes. They are not buried somewhere in a bag, which is fantastic. You open this up. I'm going to show you. Let's see if I can get the whole thing in the frame. And we got some Velcro right here. So if you have stuff like a diaper or something that you need to grab out of this pocket, you can do that. You can do that without the whole thing like falling open and everywhere, because we have this Velcro right here. So this continues to open up. It's actually quite long. I don't know if you can see that at all, but more Velcro to keep these flaps in unless you want them out. I'm going to just walk through section by section because I think it was so well thought through. Okay. First thing that I thought was incredible is this section, this bottom section, is detachable, like fully detachable from the top section. So maybe we'll call that off. Maybe your baby is getting too big for this, or maybe you don't want to attach to everything else. Maybe you want this part separate from your diapers and wipes and whatever else you have in here. Can take it off, totally still use this. And like I said, this is going to live in my car, because if we're out and about and I need a quick little changing pad for if we're in the bathroom and they have a changing caddy type thing, the changing table, I like having my baby on something that's not just the changing table. So I'll keep that in my car. The other section, we talked about the diapers up here. We talked about the wipes right here. We also have 2 pockets on either side right here. And this is great, once again, for bottle caps, binkies, little toys, or anything that you might need or have on hand that you just need to stick there during a diaper change. Works great. We also have a zippered pocket on the inside, which is a big, decent sized pocket. I think that's a fantastic addition right there. So you can keep this separate, and if you do choose to keep it separate, we have a little clip here that it makes its own little carrying case for diapers, wipes, and whatever. Super awesome. And if you choose to combine the two, you can always zip them together. And there is the little snap here that you can snap over once it's all together and keep it all together. So I'm very excited about this one. I've had a bunch of different changing pads, a bunch of different diaper caddies, but never one as portable as this. So I'm really thrilled about this. So if you are also looking for a portable changing caddy and pad, this is a great one to look into.